You manage a Fabric workspace hosting a DirectQuery semantic model that accesses a source with 500 million records. A Power BI report, Report 1, visualizes this data across multiple pages. To minimize the time required for report visuals to render data, which two features should you implement? Option A, user-defined aggregations. Option B, automatic aggregations. Option C, result set caching. Option D, one-lake connectivity. This scenario focuses on optimizing performance for large-scale datasets when using DirectQuery.
I believe the correct answers are option A, user-defined aggregations, and option B, automatic aggregations. Aggregations are the most effective structural feature for handling massive datasets, like 500 million rows. User-defined aggregations allow you to manually create summarized tables, while automatic aggregations enable the Power BI service to learn query patterns and manage these tables for you. Option C, result set caching, only helps with repeated queries, and option D is about storage, not tuning.